Exceptional. I booked the wrong date, thus no show up. The facility did not charge me for no show up. Perfect for round loop and open air museum. Very good location at walking distance, about 10 minutes, or less up by cable car, from Gore Station, making it an easy starting point for the Hakone Loop. Also close to the open air museum. The hotel itself is very good value for money, with spacious rooms, kitchenette and refrigerator, tea, coffee and even some traditional shirts to change to. Cozy and spacious. Rented a ground floor 2-bedroom apartment on our trip to Hakone. The location was near the Hakone Terrace and cable car and easy to access. Apartment amenities were complete and the place could fit 4 people and still spacious. Wi-Fi is readily available as well as a fully functional kitchen. Would stay here again. Great location, excellent apartment. The location is really great. The customer service is awesome. The apartment is well equipped. On the day of departure, we requested a taxi to Gore Station, but instead the owner called for his staff to send us personally to the station. We miss Hakone so much. If there is another opportunity, we will definitely come back to e-room. Exceptional, excellent. Exceptional. This place is basically a service apartment and the condition inside the room is relatively new. The hotel manager is really kind and gave us map, then explained us about places around the area including where to buy food/supply. Actually, it is better to make sure that you get prepared for food supply before get into the place so you can just stay there and relax after. Or you'll have to walk at least 10 minutes to reach the closest convenience store. Also, better to store your luggage somewhere before going up the hill. We stored ours overnight in locker at Hakone Station. You'll have to walk up slope, so I'm not recommend this place for elderly or group with lots of bags that cannot leave them behind during their stay. Perfect. The staff are super nice and helpful. Room is big, clean, and tidy. The view from the room is great. Within 10 minutes walk from the station. Recommend to get off from Kunkami Eki and walk to the hotel.